Hello, my YouTubers. So I'm here. So I got a quick video here for you guys. So for you people out there, for tabletop gaming right here. So here's a quick game to pick up for family and friends and to play. It's a really quick game. It's called Scrambled. It's like Scrabble, but it's a dice-driven game. And so here's what you do. It's very simple. So you got simple instructions back here, and you create your words like a crossword puzzle. So it's simple written instructions right there. So what you do is you roll your dice and you create your words just like crossword puzzles, and then you use all 12 of your dice. So each player gets 12 dice, and what you do is you have to either use all of your 12 of your dice to win the game. That's one way to win. Another way to win the game is to actually use the most amount of dice. So there are two ways to win. You have a little timer, and we'll take a look at that real shortly. So let's open up and I'll explain more of the game. So in the box, you get a timer, your instruction booklet, which explains more details on how to play. And of course, it is 1 to 5 players. You get these sets of dice here. So there are, let's see this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's up to 1 to 5 players. This game is 1 to 5 players. Each player gets their own set of dice. I think it's 12 dice per player. Or you can do this solo by yourself. You get a little bag, drawstring bag, to put all the dice in. So if you don't want to have to worry about repackaging it like this all the time, you can just get rid of this and just do the packaging. Nice big size dice right there. See? And of course, since I am legally blind and visually impaired myself and part of a low vision community, these are low vision friendly. Good contrast up until when you get to the yellow ones. That might be a little difficult to see because that's not a very good contrast. Very bright colors also for anyone who's visually impaired or legally blind. So if you're rolling these dice and it just so happens that, boom, one rolls off into the floor, it can be very easy to find for people with low vision. So that's another good advantage to that. Not difficult to see. So yeah, pretty good game. It's very simple. And the way to play, this is how you play the game. So the way to play the game is you use your set of dice, as 12 dice, to create your words. So it's just like doing a crossword puzzle, like Scrabble, but it's dice driven. And then what you do is, there are 2 ways to win in this game. So here's the simple instructions that tell you how to play. I think there's certain guidelines that you follow, but the simple concept is that you create words like this. And the objective is to use all 12 of your dice before any of your other players do. That's one way to win. Another way to win is if this timer runs out before you can use all of your dice, then if nobody has accomplished using all 12 of their dice, so then you tally up all the players and you look at the player that has used the highest number of their dice. For example, let's just say player 1 used 10 out of their 12 dice. Player 2 used only 5 out of the 12 dice. Then the one with the higher amount wins. So that's how that works. That's another way to win. And you have your other simple rules here. It's very explanatory, easy to play. It plays rather quickly, so you can play several rounds. You can play 1 round. You can play by yourself, family, friends. Lots of fun. So you can pick up this game. It's available on TikTok Shop, Amazon, and maybe even in some retail stores. All right. So, yep. Another fun game to play. So y'all take care. Blue Tech, Sam out, and I will see y'all in the next one.